Alright, SoFlo TV, so this is the on the way home vlog now. Remember, I'm giving you one vlog in the morning when I go work, and I'm giving you one vlog in the evening when I'm coming home from work, right? Just saying what's on my mind. It take up time while I'm riding this country road out here. Watch this. Me just finished doing video. The video we uploaded yesterday where we talked about, and it was by viewers' request, where we talked about Jamaican men and why we are so hard to talk to, right? If you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. Then this story now, this story about this ex-soldier that killed his ex-girlfriend. She's 39 years old at time of death, and he was 60 at time of death, right? The thing that strikes me about that relationship is like the many others. What the hell is it? I remember first of all, let me say this. Me and Brains did a prank, right? On our vlog channel. If you haven't been to the vlog channel yet, the vlog channel name is Brainflow TV. Go Brainflow TV and go watch some of the video of them, especially from the beginning coming down. For those of you who haven't watched our videos over there yet or subscribed to that channel, we out here getting money, running road. But today, well, tomorrow morning early, we'll be moving. We finally found, after weeks of being on the road, we finally found a place that has up to par internet. So you'll be getting proper videos with, you know, pictures inserted and video footages inserted and proper sit down and discuss them kind of video there coming back again, right? We're gonna run it hot. We'll also be going Facebook and Instagram with the YouTube thing. So we expect the thing to be up and up. Now, we did a video, a prank on the Brainflow TV channel, and a lot of our audience members were offended because basically, if you don't know, Brains is a master at makeup, right? She actually does makeup, and on a professional level, she actually does like complete makeovers, and she did makeup tutorials for the longest before she even started doing this whole commentary thing. So anyways, she pick a fight, me left, right? Where she put on a bunch of hickey on her neck and them kind of something there. Anyway, the way that prank ended was, it made us realize that a lot of you people actually believe that social media stuff is real. And the funny thing is, when you sit down there, I really believe that two people could live together day in, day out and get up and successfully prank each other every single day, and the other one is genuinely surprised and pranked. Come on now, if you and your spouse live together every day, them can't prank you every day. After a while, you're gonna say, "Chuck, a joke can't run," and the prank is not gonna be successful, right? But it gave us a chance to test the temperature. Now, this wasn't no prank. This woman got killed for real. And I'm starting to wonder, like, what the hell goes through a man's mind when a woman tells him that the relationship is over, she's moving on, so she left you, and you start planning her death? Not only plan her death, walk with me now, because it takes a level of thinking to go plan our death. Then you go one step further and not only plan our death, but actually execute her. Execute that plan. Kill the woman for real. So I'm watching, I'm reading the story, right? I get it out of the Star newspaper out of Jamaica. And the Star was very vague, but it says that it gave all the basic details. So this man killed her in the grocery store. A nurse she was. So So she wasn't no waste of time person, right? Not saying that a person that's wasting their time, their life is not valuable, because the whole of our life is valuable, right? Whether you waste your time or you're not wasting your time, because people waste them time, part of them life, and then wake up one day and find out, say, yeah, this is my thing. And if you check them a decade down the road, them extremely successful and well put together, and you wouldn't believe it's the same person that wastes the first 20, 30 years of them life, that, right? So everybody's life is valuable. We don't all strike gold at the same time. But I'm just saying, at 39 years old, she's an accomplished nurse. Somebody will do something constructive with their life and also an asset to their community and their culture. I mean, their country, right? So, him go take with the woman life like that because she planned to left it or because she left him. And it was said that after she left him start plan her death and issued many death threats to her. Yeah, me I said to the woman, when the man saying we kill you, you see, you need to start take the man serious. There ain't no joking in I will kill you or I'm going to kill you or me I gonna murder you. That ain't no joke. Me no business how it's said. I don't care if it's said with a smile. It's no joke. Me not joke with them that's sitting there, right? Me know people are gonna dig up my video and say, yo, you did tell Brains that one time. No, that did different. That did different. Y'all know, you know damn well when time when there with some killer. No for you. A lot of you women know when time the man is at his wit's end and is about to carry out that act. But you still choose to disbelieve it. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I want people leave some comment in the comment section. We could talk about this. I don't want to hear the normal, oh, is a weak man do that. And I want to hear, what do you think goes through a man's mind when he has made up his mind to kill a woman simply because the woman said it's the end of this relationship, it's not working out. Whatever she said, me tired, me talk to you enough, nothing and change. You want to go out every night. Me think say I have other woman out there, everybody else I tell me so. I just haven't caught you yet because I haven't made any efforts. Or, me tired, I catch you with other woman, me done, me can't do it no more, me gone. Whatever the case may be, she has decided to move on, right? You wouldn't no work no more. Long time I want some sex and can't get none. Before me cheat on you, I prefer go break up with you first. I find somebody else, rascal, then me could have say, because ego get bruised that's so. And if ego get bruised that's so, then you don't know, say, man ego fragile here, sir. That's why you have to kill the ego. You gotta kill the ego. Enough man kill man because them ego get bruised. And then you sit down in a prison and do the rest of your life in a prison without the possibility of parole. And have your whole life to think dash for your life, so dash for film life and dash for you too. And have the rest of your life to tell yourself it wasn't worth it. So you have to kill the ego. Because more time, and the ego first jump up in your head, you know, and say, yo, don't make that boy disrespect you, or hey, you make that girl disrespect you, so choke her blood clot and chop her up. You make that boy disrespect you, so show him say you're violent, my youth. It's the ego that does that. A lot of men haven't mastered themselves yet, or women haven't mastered themselves yet to the point where they can silence the ego. Take her this. I said, sure, you can call me every name in the book, me not care. Because I know me. And I respect myself, so your respect for me is null, void, and no worth nothing to me anyway. Right? Not a lot of people can do that. So, I don't know. I want to hear your comment. What the hell goes through a man's mind? And I'm doing this video because I've done these types of videos and topics before where the comment section was frightening because there were actually people that came on and said, me beat up gal every chance me get. box her and make she know say me a man. Kick her down, bust up her face. I've had comments like those on SoFlo TV. And I reached out to the person and I said, yo, you know, say you need some serious help. The person reached back and said this. Watch how we uncover this now. The person reached back and said, SoFlo, let me tell you something. My father runway left me, right? And I was raised by women. My mother go out into the world to make a better life for me. Then she sent for me later. So my mother did there foreign. And my auntie and my grandmother them raised me. A house full of women. And them women that used to abuse me. Them give me some beating. Them do some things to me. Them beat me in a manner when not even slave master never used to beat slave on the plantation. So bust head, bleed, bloody up, skin chip up. And it made me grow with a resentment and an anger towards women to the point where, no, me never turn back man because me still grow up knowing say a man and a woman must have sexual activities and my line draw this up. But told me didn't hate them could have pushed me the way they took. But me find out say this is how I get my retribution. Any woman me there would have to take lick. You see that? That's someone that's deeply psychologically wounded. And when they come on and I say, be careful what you do to them little youth here. Because enough of them grow up to psycho and killer. And kick down, box up, thump down somebody else's daughter. Y'all ain't hearing it. You keep on continuing with this. Pick the road, pick the forget, beaten. Alright, sir. But I'm not here. It's the same thing that goes into this whole man kill a woman because woman said the relationship done. What you kill a woman for? You know how much woman out there? Woman out there where we take you and live with you with all your dead body. When your body flappy, flippy and can't turn up, woman out there where we still there with you. Because she reached a point in her life where she's had enough also. Sexual activities, she good. Or you can find alternative means. Or she will satisfy with the thing that in her life right now. And go hold on for a one tool, a dildo or something and say, yeah, him can't do that. But him satisfy me in every other way. And we reach the age where we don't have to worry about them things no more. Because we're not young and frisky like that anyway. So, regardless of what the hell could have happened, I can't see actually murdering a woman because she said she done with you. Unless, watch how I'm gonna leave this video. Unless someone you see, when you know a left man, you know do some things like you went into the relationship with a goal. And your goal was to drain this man's bank account and set up yourself in a life. Be it send me through school, let me earn this degree, boops out the man's pocket, and you did it over years. So the man get invested in you emotionally, physically, spiritually, sexually, every kind of alley you can think of. Back alley, front alley, every alley. And then when you're left now, you dash it in a man's face. I use me that use you. A long time me and your brethren Marco a fuck. And them kind of something there. Just giving you examples, people, and pardon the language every now and then, but we're all grown. And you see me not come on and full up the video with curse words. I use them where I feel they're appropriate. Now, that's for the sensitive ears, people. Now, for them kind of woman there, you're attracting this kind of behavior from a man. For one, kill you when time you decide say it's time to go. But you have some women out there who genuinely support man. Support man, help man build up themselves and everything, and the man just constantly tear down the woman. And eventually she decides that, yo, you never brought anything positive to me. And I think it's time for me to go. I can't take this no more, Johnny. I'm done. I'm out. And when she finally cut, you're going to find her and kill her. What I want my audience to do, both from a male and a female perspective, is not only like, comment, share, and subscribe. We talked about the killing of the ego. and we talk about other circumstances. Not only like, comment, share, and subscribe, but I want you to also leave in the comment section. This is what we want to find out. What do you think goes through the mind of a man when he decides, I am going to kill her, and then he goes and actually execute that thought simply because the woman left? It's Soulflow TV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'm up out of here. Peace.